The rise of AI tool, the quest to know prompt engineering is on the high side. Instead of you going to spend months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months to learn prompt engineering, that is why I want to share with you an easy AI tool that you can use to generate images like these ones that you have watched. You see this, I used an AI tool. I didn't stress myself to generate the prompt that gave me quality images like these ones. You see them, quality images like this one. Even the recent video on my channel, so you can see like this video now, this video playing here, displaying here, I used an AI tool. To come up with the prompt. All right, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, thank you so much for coming. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So let's dive in now to the topic of today and show you that amazing AI tool that you can use to prompt and come up with quality images. Here I am going to meta.ai. Go to your browser. I already shared a video about meta.ai, but then it wasn't about prompting. Go to your browser and put it meta.ai. If you've not signed up, you sign up, but if you have, it will just take you into the home page. Now this image you're seeing here, this is an amazing image, like fantastic image. I wasn't the one that typed this prompt, it was this AI tool that generated this prompt for me. I just gave it, okay, this is what I want, and it came up with a prompt, and then after that it came up with the image for me. Okay, so how did I do it? All right, here I can say give me a prompt to generate YouTube studio background. All right, so let us see what will happen. Okay, it's coming up with a prompt. You can see, if you are the one writing this prompt, you can't write it perfectly like this. So we've gotten the prompt here. We'll have to adjust. You can add your own things. Say create a modern and professional YouTube studio background with a minimalistic theme. The color should feature neutral tones with a pop of bright green. So if your color is bright green, you can put my color. I can choose, let me say navy blue and red So that's my brown color. So you can remove this. So you just added that in to show you that that's your brown color. The background should include a stylish cityscape at the sunset with the, so you can leave this or you can adjust it. In the foreground, a sleek white desk holds a microphone, headphone, and a few props such as camera and this. You can also add, it should also have a bookshelf. It should have a bookshelf with YouTube logo by the corner. Okay, you can just add anything you want to add the subtle texture, and this is okay. So if you are okay with the prompt, you enter. So it's going to generate the image. This is very simple. You don't need to stress yourself, because if you just type small something create, you just come to here or any other AI to maybe like Bing Image Creator and say create a YouTube background studio for me. It will not give you something amazing like this. So that's why it's good to learn prompt engineer. But now we have AI tools that can give you that prompt without you going to learn it, learning how to code, or maybe spending months. Some person spend 3 months, 4 months, 5 months learning it. You can see it. Amazing images, like very, very nice, fantastic. You can just come here and click download, and it will directly download. You see it. I love it. I love it so much. You see it here. I love it. You can use it and do your background. Then anything again that you need, just come and type it in here, and it will. You can also animate, like I showed us in our video before. Now you can check the video. I will put the link. Just look up here, the video will pop up now, or the link in the description, so that you can watch how to do more about your editing, converting this image to a video. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so that when I post my next video, you will be notified. Bye.